Hello everyone, this video is for pregnant women and all those women who are planning pregnancy. A few facts for you related to pregnancy and oral health. So do you guys know that pregnant women are more prone to gum diseases compared to other people, and around 60 to 75% of pregnant women have gingivitis. Now gingivitis is a condition where there is inflammation of gums are red, they are swollen, there is bleeding on brushing, etc. For example, you had some sort of gum issue before. But you never felt the need to go see a dentist. But now during pregnancy, all of a sudden, all sort of gum issues have started. There is bleeding on brushing, your gums hurt while chewing, and there is swollen and red gums, all sort of issues. So what led to this problem? Actually, it is your pregnancy hormones which have aggravated or triggered this situation. Now, if this gingivitis is not treated timely, the disease is going to spread to the underlying bone. This bone will resorb over a period of time, leading to significant bone loss. जब बहुत ज़्यादा bone loss हो जाता है, teeth आपके हिलने लगते हैं. इस situation को अब हम कहते हैं periodontitis. तो you have progressed from gingivitis to periodontitis just because आपने timely treatment नहीं कराया है. Now this periodontitis has been associated with poor pregnancy outcomes. For example, preterm labor or preterm birth, low birth weight. दैट मीन्स बिफोर टाइम डिलीवरी हो जाना या फिर बेबी का जो बर्थ वेट है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा कम होना. Pregnant women may also be at a higher risk for getting cavities. That is mainly because of the behavioral changes. For example, your eating habits or your eating patterns have changed. Now, pregnant women who have higher number of cavity-causing bacteria during pregnancy or after pregnancy, that is after delivery, can transmit these bacteria from their mouth to the mouth of their babies. So that is also a high risk. Now, early contact with these bacteria along with some other poor habits, for example, prolonged bottle feeding or the habit of taking milk bottle to bed and then later on frequent snacking habit or eating unhealthy food, for example, sugary foods and beverages, all this can lead to early childhood caries in your child and the need for extensive dental treatment at a very young age. So there is a study that says children of mothers who have high levels of untreated cavities or tooth loss are more than 3 times likely to have cavities as a child. तो फिर करना क्या है? Well, if you are planning pregnancy, then it is mandatory to get a thorough dental checkup done. There could be some cavities, कुछ decayed teeth हो सकते हैं जिनमें फिलिंग की ज़रूरत है. आपको आइडिया भी नहीं है क्योंकि कोई सिम्टम्स भी नहीं है. बट अगर आज ये फिल नहीं होते हैं तो फिर ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी हो सकता है सीधे RCT करने की ज़रूरत पड़ जाए. There could be some wisdom teeth जो कि decayed पड़े हुए हैं या फिर फंसे हुए हैं, impacted हैं, जिनमें हर 2-4 महीने में एक बार दर्द होता है, इसलिए इतना ध्यान भी नहीं जाता उन पर. बट हो सकता है ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी एकदम से इमरजेंसी सिचुएशन बन जाए और तब हमें उनका एक्सट्रैक्शन करना पड़े. You want to start your pregnancy with the best of your health, be it your mental health, physical health or your oral health. इसलिए एक प्रॉपर क्लीनिंग का राउंड करवाइए, प्रॉपर प्रोफाइल एक्सेस कराइए, प्रॉपर क्लीनिंग ऑफ योर टीथ एंड गम्स so that your gums are healthy throughout your pregnancy और pregnancy hormones उनका कुछ ना बिगाड़ पाए. Because I don't think any of you would want to see dentist during your pregnancy. Hope that helps.